Okay, so yesterday I was visiting the JetBrain website, specifically the PyCharm website, where I want to download the PyCharm IDE. But the display on the website is a little different than usual. The first thing I noticed that there are this label which said unified product for PyCharm. And when I scroll it down, there is some information that PyCharm is now one unified product. All users now automatically start with a free 1 month pro trial. After that, you can subscribe to Pro or keep using the core features for free. Now with Jupyter support included. This is surprised me a little because I used to think that most of JetBrain products, especially the IDE, are consist of two products. The first one is the professional. Uh, the first one is the IDE for professional, which has a subscription model, and the second one is the community edition, which which is basically free for everyone to use. And this information, this news is surprised me because now the PyCharm is basically are turning into one product from two products before into one product. See, and when we scrolling again, now there are also another information that we can read. We can still use the PyCharm Community Edition as usual, and with migration will follow in the next release. So we can still download the PyCharm Community Edition, but with this release and this unified version, I think in the future the PyCharm will only remain one version, and that is the unified product. So if we are want to use the latest PyCharm, we are going to download. We are going to need to download the unified product, and there are some FAQ that we can read uh, about the general topic and about the community edition and also the pro trial, because the new PyCharm, if we use the new PyCharm, we will automatically get 1 month free trial, and then after a month we will have the option to continue the subscription or to keep using the core feature for free. And I think this is also quite surprising for their users, because PyCharm, I think it has uh, some market and some users that are using the community edition for some time. And if we look at the news that was released by the PyCharm, we can see that PyCharm is now becoming one IDE. And there are some explanation about what's new and the general overview and what does it mean for we as the user. And another interesting part of this blog is the comment by their user. There are some users that are comment about the bug that PyCharm are still having until today. And if we see the comment below, we can see that some community are more looking forward if the PyCharm could uh, fix some of their bugs rather than releasing a unified update. So I think that's it for today. And I would like to know what do you guys think about this new PyCharm release? Because as far as my experience as a Python coders, I am mostly edit my Python files using either Visual Studio Code or using Google Colab. So PyCharm is still not my main editor, but many times I always try to consider using PyCharm as my alternative or maybe my main Python editor. But after look at this download page and there are some news about the unified product, it makes me think again. Should I try the unified product or should I stick to my usual editor, which is Visual Studio Code and Google Code? So let me know what you think about this PyCharm update. Thank you.